In this video, we listed the 5 best vacuums for carpets that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sebo Airbelt D4. The Sebo vacuum cleaner is a powerful, corded electric device designed for both residential and commercial use. It features a commercial-grade power head that offers excellent steering ability, making it easy to maneuver across various surfaces such as bare floors, carpets, and hard floors. The vacuum includes a LED suction power indicator, allowing users to monitor its performance effectively. With a substantial 40-foot power cord and an impressive 50-foot cleaning radius, it provides extensive reach for large cleaning tasks. It is equipped with a foam filter and comes with a huge 1.5-gallon filter bag, along with 3 onboard full-size tools for versatile cleaning options. The patented Airbt bumper protects furniture and walls from damage during use. Weighing 29.6 pounds and operating at 180 watts, this vacuum is not cordless, ensuring continuous power supply for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Number 2. Miele Classic C1 Vacuum. The Miele Classic C1 Cat Dog Canister Vacuum is a powerful cleaning device designed specifically for pet owners. It features a robust 1200W powerline motor and a 4.8 QT dust bag capacity, ensuring efficient capture of dust, dirt, and debris with maximum suction power. This vacuum is equipped with an active air clean filter that neutralizes pet odors, making it ideal for homes with animals. It offers full flexibility with a 29.5 feet operating radius, a height-adjustable electro-telescopic suction wand, and integrated vacuuming accessories, allowing users to easily reach every nook and cranny in their home. The thorough filtration system, consisting of a vacuum bag, motor protection filter, and exhaust filter, guarantees maximum hygiene by filtering more than 99.9% of fine dust. The vacuum comes with several components, including the SEB 228 Electro Plus floor brush for deep carpet cleaning, the STB 101 mini turbo brush for picking up hair and lint, and additional tools like an upholstery nozzle, crevice nozzle, and dusting brush, all designed to enhance cleaning performance across all floor types. The vacuum operates on corded electric power with a voltage of 120 volts and weighs 16.1 pounds, making it a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for pet-friendly homes. Number 3. Dyson Ball Animal 3. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 upright vacuum cleaner is a corded electric device designed for optimal cleaning performance, particularly in larger homes with pets. It features detangling technology that automatically clears wrapped hair from the brush bar, making it highly effective for removing dirt and pet hair. The vacuum includes specialized pet tools such as a pet groom tool for medium and long-haired pets and a tangle-free turbine tool for upholstery and cars. It offers easy maneuverability with its ball technology, allowing precise navigation around obstacles. The vacuum has 3 cleaning modes optimized for various floor types, providing complete control over cleaning tasks. It comes with 5 Dyson-engineered accessories, including a tangle-free turbine tool, pet groom tool, tool holder, stair tool, and combination tool. The machine boasts advanced whole machine filtration to trap particles inside, utilizing pioneering radial root cyclone technology for increased suction and improved dirt removal. Additionally, it offers a 5-year warranty and lifetime customer support, with the option to register the machine on the My Dyson app for personalized guides, maintenance, and support. The vacuum is not cordless and operates at 120 volts, weighing 17.33 pounds. Number 4. Kenmore Intuition Carpet Cleaner. The Kenmore Intuition is a modern, lightweight vacuum cleaner weighing only 14 pounds and is designed in a green color. It offers versatile cleaning capabilities with its lift-up feature, allowing users to clean above floors and stairs effortlessly by simply pressing a button to lift away from the floor nozzle. The vacuum boasts no touch bag technology, which simplifies the process of emptying and cleaning by eliminating the need to touch dirty bags or cups, ensuring a hands-free operation with self-sealing bags that maintain a clean home environment. It features a power flow bag chamber that maintains strong suction even as the bag fills, ensuring effective cleaning until the bag needs emptying. The vacuum is maneuverable with swivel steering and includes height adjustments for optimal airflow and cleaning efficiency. Additionally, it is equipped with LED headlights to illuminate the cleaning path and incorporates a high-grade HEPA filtration system within a completely sealed system for excellent filtration performance. Number 5. Eureka Pet Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka Floor Rover Elite NEU 630 is a powerful, corded electric vacuum cleaner designed for multi-surface cleaning, making it ideal for households with pets. It features a manually controllable brush roll that allows seamless transitions between various flooring types, including tile, hardwood, and deep carpet. The vacuum is equipped with a HEPA filter and a multi-cyclone filtration system that captures 99.9% of dust, ensuring it doesn't escape back into the air. This model includes components such as a 7-inch crevice tool, dusting brush, pet tool, and quick-release handle. It boasts large, easy-glide wheels and advanced swivel steering for superior maneuverability on all floor types. Despite its robust features, the vacuum is not cordless and weighs 15.8 pounds. The Floor Rover Elite NEU 630 also incorporates zero-hair wrap technology, making it especially suitable for homes with pets.